By the end of this video, you will know the 4 secret ingredients to add to your video prompt to make it look real and consistent. I call it the 4 prompt lock. If any of it is missing in your prompt, then your videos will always come out looking so bad. The first one is your subject. The key to making your subject consistent and real is to lock it in. And you can do this by having a picture of all your characters before you start prompting. Having a picture of your subject beforehand will tell the AI to stick to that character. You will get the most consistent characters across all scenes, because this time you are not just writing a piece of text, you are giving it a picture to use as your character. The second lock is your environment. You want to be as detailed as possible. This will include the time of day, what is happening around your character. If it is raining, you should add raining outside the window or something like that to your prompt so that it does not miss out on those details. You can also use images for the environment lock, especially when you want the character to be in the same place across various scenes. That is the most consistent way to pass the message to the AI model that you want the character in the same scene, in the same environment. The most effective way is to have a picture of different scenes. The same way you had a picture of different characters, have the picture of different scenes and tell it to stick to that picture. The third lock is your camera and motion directive. Now you want to be as detailed as possible as to how the camera moves. If you want it to be shaky, you have to include it. Don't just think that the AI models will figure it out as it goes. At first, when I started using AI video generative tools, I usually leave out the camera aspect because I figure out that, oh, you are generating a scene, you should know what to do with the camera. But sometimes it does not. Now, if you want to be very consistent in your videos, you have to add these motion directives. And if you lack the words to explain your thoughts to these AI models, you can open another chat and just probably use a voice note to express yourself, express how you want these scenes to be like, and ask it to give it a specific custom camera and motion directive so that you can include that in your main prompt. By the way, if you are benefiting from this video, subscribe so that you get to know whenever I drop another video like this, and also drop your comment because that is the only way I get to meet you. The last lock is the negative prompting lock. This is you telling the AI models what you do not want to see in your videos. I know this really sounds very backward, because why should I waste my time telling it what I don't want when I should be telling it what I want? Add negative prompts to each of the first 3 locks. Now, for the subject, tell it what you do not want to see with your subject. It can be you don't want the facial features to change, like you don't want extra fingers, or you don't want a distorted view of your character image that you have uploaded before. For the environment, you can tell it to stick with what you already have. Tell it you don't want to see a contrast between your original prompt. For the camera, you can just, the list is endless as to what you can do with your negative prompting. The most common reason why people can tell whether or not your video is made with AI is when the audio is sounding so robotic. If you want an AI tool that will give you the flexibility of adjusting the pitch and pace, you can check out this video. I discovered a free AI tool that sounds almost like a human.